Hi everybody, and welcome to yet another showcase session. I'm Michael Linke, the General Manager here at the Australian Institute of Architects, and thanks very much for joining me. Today, I'm thrilled to be joined by Nazli at Etex. Etex is a proud supporter of the Institute's Climate Action and Sustainability Task Force, and their National Architectural Manager, Nazli, who's based in Sydney, joins me now. Nazli, great to have you on the program. Welcome.
Thanks, Michael. It's great to be here, and thanks for everyone joining me. So today I'm rather excited to introduce our brand Siniat. I think Siniat brand is a new name to most of your members since we have rebranded in the midst of COVID lockdowns. We didn't have the opportunity to attend any physical events, and the fact that face-to-face meetings were limited since we rebranded. So this is a great platform for us to be able to introduce Siniat Australia. Also, there has been changes in the plasterboard market that I would like to take a chance to elaborate further in this session. So early 2021, we have rebranded from Createx Australia to Siniat Australia. And the big question is, what have been changed and what it means to architects and specifiers working with us on a daily basis. So let's first clear that up.
Same, better. Previously known as Knauf Plasterboard, we've been acquired by Etex, a global building material manufacturer. The Knauf range of plasterboard and metal frame systems has become Siniat. Same, better. We will continue to operate as always. Same production facilities and process. Same product performance. Same people and same systems. Same complete warranty. Same comprehensive compliance standards. And the same technical support and leadership. What will change is our improved customer experience. We'll lead the way with customer service and with helping our customers find ways to build more effectively, resulting in a better all-round experience. We are Siniat. Talk to us today.
So the message is on the Siniat brand, we are same, but better. So we are manufacturing the same plasterboard, metal and compounds products, and architects will be dealing with the same technical and sales representatives, but we are all striving to do better. So we keep innovating and improving our services. So same, but better. So today's presentation, I just want to talk about changes in the plasterboard market, Siniat Australia, a brief company overview, carbon neutral offer, and also an update on the acoustic products. We have the new version of the blueprint launched. So I just want to talk about the new version of blueprint and how your members can connect with us. So let's have a look at the changes in the plasterboard market.
There have been major changes in the Australian plasterboard market in the last year. So let's take a look at the history of our business to clear up any confusion.
In 2011, the Knauf Group purchased the Australian plasterboard business from Lafarge. Then in 2014, Knauf also acquired Peer Industries, a manufacturer of metal systems for the building and construction industry. Out of these acquisitions, our business grew to become a major role player in the Australian market, manufacturing full plasterboard and metal systems and a range of compounds. 5 years later, in 2019, the Knauf Group acquired the American group USG Corporation. Following an ACCC ruling, the Australian business was put up for sale. In 2020, the Belgium-based Etex Group was the successful bidder. Etex is the manufacturer of Siniat products around the globe. 2021 was the year of rebranding. All products, services and business assets rebranded to Siniat, but the team, warranties, certifications and the ABN remain the same. Same, better. Early in 2022, the Knauf Group rebranded USG Boral in APAC to Knauf, and the Knauf brand returned to Australian shores. But this didn't bring any further changes to our business or our brand. Today, the Siniat brand is one of the three major role players in the Australian plasterboard market.
At Siniat, we're excited about our new brand and the future. We look forward to continually improving our products and services and working together with you to be our customers' best supplier.
Siniat. Let's build better together.
So there are three main plasterboard manufacturers in Australia. So we are Siniat Australia, CSR, and Knauf, that's rebranded from USG Boral. So we're part of Etex Group. Etex Group is a Belgium-based lightweight products manufacturer and very active in the prefabrication market as well. So we are 11,000 teammates. We operate in 42 countries, and we have 110 sites, plants, quarries, and offices globally. We also have 6 innovation and technology centers, and these technology centers are driving the innovation and lightweight construction advancement globally. Our business annual turnover is more than 2.6 euros currently. So Siniat is a commercial brand of the Etex Group, and in Australia we manufacture in 4 manufacturing facilities: Sydney, Melbourne, Bundaberg, and Brisbane. We supply green tag level A certified plasterboard, steel framing, compounds, cornice, and acoustic and specialty lining products, as well as all the associated products for walls and ceiling linings. We distribute our products through our national distribution network. We have our own company stores, plus some franchisee stores, and also a number of independent distributors. We also offer carbon neutral, opt-in carbon neutral climate active certified program for a range of locally made plasterboard and metal framing products. So all manufacturing facilities in Australia are ISO certified, triple ISO certified to the ISO standards of health and safety, quality and environmental management. The Etex Group unveiled its first sustainability report in October 2021, and the 4 main areas identified in that report, it's the carbon neutrality, health, safety and well-being, waste management, circularity, diversity and inclusion. Why was the carbon neutral opt-in program introduced in the first place? I just want to give you a brief history about our journey introducing our carbon neutral products. 2014, we've been approached by Lendlease, and at the time Lendlease was involved in Barangaroo Precinct's 2 residential buildings, Anadora and Alexandra, and they had carbon reduction targets, so they wanted us to come up with carbon neutral plasterboard for those projects in order to reduce the carbon emissions. So that was the start of the journey. 2015, our carbon footprint was calculated and documented, and remaining emissions were offset. So we were NCOS, or National Carbon Offset Scheme certified in 2015. So 2016, we have introduced our opt-in program for plasterboard products that we manufactured in New South Wales, in Matraville, and it was available for 3 main plasterboard products out of Matraville for New South Wales and Queensland projects. We progressed further in 2019 with the National Carbon Offset Scheme rebranded to Climate Active brand. So we've been able to expand on offer to all of the plasterboard and metal products that we manufacture locally, in all of our sites. So, and under the Siniat brand name, we rolled out our opt-in program, carbon neutral opt-in program. So all of the plasterboard and metal products manufactured in Australia, so we can provide them as a carbon neutral climate active certified product range. Etex Australia is the only manufacturer of plasterboard and metal systems in Australia to offer opt-in carbon neutral program certified by Climate Active. And Climate Active is a government-backed program awarded to businesses and organizations that have credibly reached a state of carbon neutrality. And what it means to be carbon neutral is a situation where the net greenhouse gas emission of an organization, service, or a product are equal to zero. And we are a member of the Climate Active network. What it means to be carbon neutral. So we reduce our carbon emissions in the manufacturing process, so as much as we can. But we still have some remaining carbons that we cannot reduce any further. So we offset those carbon with offset projects. And that's the state of being the carbon neutral or achieving zero emissions state. With the offset units, they compensate for emissions a business produces and to bring their carbon footprint down to zero. So offset units are generated by projects that reduce, remove, or capture emissions from the atmosphere, such as reforestation, renewable energy, or energy efficiency projects. So how you can opt in or how you can use our carbon neutral products. So it's really easy. It's just a matter of specifying Siniat carbon neutral climate active certified products at early design stage of the project. So we need to get involved with the design team and in the specification process in order to get the right product specified. Once we supply the products to the site, then we will work with the builders and contractors just to determine the exact quantity of the supplied products, and then we take care of the carbon offsets. So by using Siniat products and opting into the carbon neutral programs, specifiers and contractors, not only they can reduce their building upfront carbon emissions, they can also meet their requirements from the Green Star rating tools and also, achieve their carbon reduction targets. So one case study in a commercial award, we are involved with one Sydney Harbour project, which is under construction currently. So Lendlease is our client, and Barangaro Precinct is a net zero precinct, and we are supplying carbon neutral plasterboard and metal to 3 residential towers in the Barangaro Precinct. So these towers are committed to a 5-star Green Star design and as built rating under the Green Star rating tool. Another example I just want to bring up, it's the Soho House in Adelaide. It's a 10-star home, and the consultancy service Soho in South Australia designed this first energy efficient 10-star home. And we have supplied carbon neutral plasterboard and green tag level A certified plasterboard to the project. So this project demonstrates the benefits of high performing homes, and it's passive house designed as well. With the new Green Star rating tool, how we can help you to achieve the ratings that it's under the new rating tool, and it's under the responsible product framework. So all the Green Star rating tools that are released from 2020 includes credits that seek to reward the use of products that meet the criteria set out in the GBCA's responsible product framework. And the vision of the framework is to drive the supply chain to deliver transparent, healthy, low impact and net zero carbon products that are part of a circular economy. So there are 4 main categories under the responsible products framework. You can either get points out of responsible structure, responsible envelope, responsible systems, or responsible finishes. So we can help you with the responsible finishes. If you are aiming for good practice products with the RPV of 7 or more, the climate active carbon neutral certification of our products, which helps you to achieve the desired points. Or if you are aiming for best practice products, which is aiming for RPV of 12 or more. So for this category, you need to have a combination of certifications. So we can provide you with the climate active carbon neutral certification plus green tag level A, green tag certification level A to achieve your points. So that's where we can help under the new Green Star rating tool. So I also want to give you an update on our acoustic products. So with the brand change, our acoustic products have also changed. So we have introduced 2 new products, 2 types of acoustic perforated plasterboard, Createx and Creason. So it's suitable for residential and commercial applications. Both products come with capture clean air technology and also excellent sound absorption. So let's have a look at these 2 products in detail.
We spend 90% of our time indoors, and we should focus on making it as healthy and comfortable as possible. That includes acoustic comfort. Siniat introduces Createx and Creason, a range of specialty acoustic plasterboard for residential and commercial applications. These boards offer superior sound absorption while adding a beautiful decorative touch. Createx and Creason are perforated plasterboards that combine striking creative design with capped air clean air technology. Capped air removes harmful VOCs from the indoor air, making it safer and easier to breathe. Createx and Creason are often used in hotels, hospitals, airports, gyms, schools, and residential projects. Createx is suitable for both wall and ceilings, and the continuous perforations create a seamless appearance. Createx is available in 5 perforation patterns. Creason is most often used in ceilings, and it's available in 2 perforation patterns. Download the product brochure from siniat.com.au for more information. Siniat, let's create beautiful acoustics together.
So with Createx, which is superseding our Strato panel product, so it's suitable for walls and ceiling, and it gives you a continuous perforation look. So it gives you a seamless appearance. It's got 4 V-edges for easy application. So once the joints are filled with the jointing compound, you end up having a continuous perforation. And it comes with built-in capped air clean air technology. And it gives you 5 perforation patterns in round, square, alternating, and space, which is the random pattern. Creason is superseding design panel, and it's more of a traditional grid pattern with solid plasterboard margin. So it's suitable for ceilings. You can use it in high traffic areas, in schools, hospitals, etc. And it also comes with built-in capped air clean air technology, and it has 2 perforation patterns in round and square. So I also want to give you a bit of update on a new version of a Blueprint. Blueprint is our comprehensive a technical manual with all the information you would need for installing or specifying our products and systems. So the new version, version 3, it's been launched recently, and it's got 629 pages. So it's a very comprehensive technical manual when it comes to wall and ceiling systems. Let's have a look at what has been changed and what's it's new.
Siniat's technical manual Blueprint has recently been rebranded and updated. To download the Siniat blueprint, go to siniat.com.au. Click on Downloads, Technical Manuals, and click on Blueprint. Fill in your contact details and click Download Blueprint. We ask you for your contact details so that we can let you know when a new version becomes available. Now, download the blueprint and save it on your device. The new blueprint is digital friendly and optimized for online viewing. Simply click on the relevant chapter on the contents page and the link will take you right there. Some of the system codes are also interactive, so you can click on them to find out more. We have also included other handy hyperlinks and QR codes. Navigating the new blueprint is easy with interactive icons at the top of most pages. The home icon will take you back to the start of that chapter. And the index icon will take you to the main contents page. You can also download Blueprint on your mobile phone and save it as an ebook. All the interactive functionality and hyperlinks will remain active. This means you'll have access to the latest version of Blueprint in your pocket. More than 600 pages of detailed information at your fingertips. Siniat. Let's build better together.
So the new version of Blueprint is very digital friendly. It's very user friendly, and you can either download the complete blueprint, or you can download it section by section. So you can only download the internal steel frame section or timber frame section, or you can download it like based on different sections. But all means, if you would like to have a hard copy, we can provide you with a hard copy as well. Just simply send us a request for the printed version, and we can send it to you. But as I said, it's a big technical manual. I mean, it's a very thick technical manual. It's over 600 pages. So you can download all of our brochures and literatures from our website, siniat.com.au, from a download section. The way you can connect with us, you can send us an email through the customer service. You can call us 1300-724-505 is our customer service number, or you can visit our website and leave us a message in the contact section. And you can also subscribe to our newsletter just to stay up to date with all the current, with the changes and anything new coming to the market. That's pretty much it. And thank you for listening to me. Thanks, Michael.
Thank you very much for that presentation, Nazli. That was fantastic. I do have a couple of questions for you, if that's okay. First of all, what changes can we expect under the Siniat brand?
Michael, our products, our services, and our people remain the same with the brand change. However, we try to do better. So the message is we are the same, but we do better. So, but one of the really positive outcomes is that we are able to pursue our carbon neutral journey even more seriously under the Siniat brand. Our climate active certified opting program and other sustainability commitments are really boosted and supported by sustainability and innovation commitments of the Etex Group as a whole. And the Etex Group, they have unveiled their first sustainability report later last year. And being a major global role player in the construction industry, so Etex business depends on the use of raw material, energy, water, and other natural resources. So sustainability is really one of the 6 main pillars, strategic pillars to Etex Group.
Great stuff.
And to help it, yeah.
Oh, you were also talking though as well, Nazli, about carbon neutral offer, this carbon neutral offer that you were mentioning. Does opting in for that cost more?
No, the good news is it doesn't It doesn't. So there is no surcharge for opting in for climate active certified products. The only thing you need to do just specify Siniat's carbon neutral plasterboard and metal products, and we will do the rest by working with the contractors and builders to offset the remainder carbon based on the product quantity that we supply to your projects, and we provide you with the carbon neutral certification at the end of the project.
Great stuff. Thank you. Now, let's talk about sustainability measures at Etex. What measures have you taken then at Etex in order to be able to offer carbon neutral products?
Sure. At Siniat, sustainability is at the heart of everything we do. So we've been on this journey for more than a decade, and a lot of work has gone through improving energy efficiency in the manufacturing process. So we are committed to innovation, and we are committed to continuous improvement in how we operate. So as a lightweight product manufacturer, we are really rely on the use of raw materials, water and energy, and we are committed to new ways of using more recycled materials, reducing our waste, reducing our water usage, and making use of renewable energy as much as is possible. So in a nutshell, we measure and work to reduce our carbon emissions, and then we offset with the opt-in program, we offset the remainder carbon, and we use projects that have really strong social aspects in terms of the offset projects. So we currently support a few projects, 3 projects. So the Mount Sandy Biodiversity Conservation Project in South Australia, the Jandra Nulti Native Forest Regeneration New South Wales, and we also support the Prani Wind Power Project in New Caledonia.
Oh, great stuff. That's wonderful news. Thanks for that, Nazli. And my second to last question, at Siniat, how does the opt-in program work for, say, the current Lend-Lease project you were mentioning in the Barangaroo precinct? What's the process there? Yeah.
The Lend-Lease sustainability team approached us at the very early stages of project design. I guess it was mid-2018. And Lend-Lease were looking to reduce the upfront carbon emission in that project for those 3 residential towers. So we worked closely with the design team. And they were aiming for 5-star Green Star rating. And currently we're supplying carbon neutral plasterboard and metal to the project. And the plasterboard volume, it's a substantial volume. So being able to provide net zero plasterboard and metal to the project, so brings down the upfront carbon emissions of the project substantially. So really for architects and specifiers, just please get in touch with us if you have any carbon reduction targets, if you are aiming for any Green Star ratings in your project, and we can assist the design team at early design stages of the projects and with the specification process.
Great stuff. Thanks very much. Final question, architects, if they're interested, what's the best website address to find out more about Siniat and the products that you offer?
Siniat.com.au is the website, and they can contact the customer service or myself. So
okay. Great stuff.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Nazli, the National Architectural Manager based in Sydney for Siniat Australia. Great to have you with us. And I hope those of you watching found that this showcase session really gave you a bit more of an introduction to who Siniat are. So thanks again, Nazli, for joining us. Really appreciate you being on the program with us.
Thanks, Michael. Pleasure.
Absolute pleasure to have you. And of course, thanks very much to all of you for watching. And don't forget to join me at another showcase session very soon. Until then, I've always been Michael Linke here at the Institute of Architects. Thanks for joining me at this showcase session. Look forward to seeing you at another session very soon. Take care.